Hey there, fellow homesteaders. Have you ever looked out at your backyard and thought, what if this space could be more than just a patch of grass? Well, you're in luck. Today I'm diving into 5 homestead ideas that'll transform your backyard into a self-sustaining oasis. Let's jump right in. First up, let's talk about they're perfect for growing your own veggies, herbs, and even flowers. Raised beds help with soil drainage and make it easier to control weeds. Plus, they look super neat. Imagine stepping outside to pick fresh tomatoes or basil for dinner. Pure bliss, right? Next on the list is, trust me, raising chickens is easier than you think. They not only provide fresh eggs, but they also help with pest control and fertilize your garden. Build a cozy coop, and you'll have happy hens clucking around in no time. And who doesn't love the sound of chickens in the morning? Moving on, consider setting up a test scheme. This eco-friendly idea can save you money on your water bill and ensure you have a steady water supply for your garden. Collect rainwater in barrels and use it to water your plants or even for household chores. It's a simple step towards sustainability. Fourth, let's not forget about turning kitchen scraps and yard waste into nutrient-rich compost can do wonders for your garden. Start a compost pile or invest in a compost bin. Your plants will thank you, and you'll reduce waste going to landfills. Win-win. Last but definitely not least, think about creating a Bees, butterflies, and birds play a crucial role in pollinating our plants. Planting flowers and shrubs that attract these pollinators will not only beautify your backyard, but also boost your garden's productivity. Plus, watching them flutter around is a joy in itself. So, there you have it. 5 fantastic homestead ideas to turn your backyard into a productive and beautiful space. Whether you start with one or tackle them all, these projects will bring you closer to self-sufficiency and make your homestead dreams a reality. Thanks for watching, and happy homesteading.